Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about the secret ocean project that could destroy the planet. Beneath the waves, deeper than the sunlight can reach, lies a world we barely understand. A world untouched by humans until now. Because while we are busy watching rockets fly to Mars and AI take over the world, a new gold rush is happening where no one's looking, the bottom of the ocean. And if this race isn't stopped, it could destroy the largest ecosystem on Earth. Part 1: The New Frontier No One's Watching. This is the Clarion Clipperton Zone, a vast stretch of the Pacific Ocean between Hawaii and Mexico. It's bigger than the entire European Union, and it's about to become ground zero for one of the most destructive industries in modern history. Why? Because scattered across its ocean floor are trillions of little black rocks called polymetallic nodules. They contain cobalt, nickel, manganese, and rare earth metals, the exact metals needed to build electric vehicles, wind turbines, and your smartphone. Green tech companies call it the future of sustainable energy. Environmentalists call it ecocide. Part 2: Why the deep sea matters more than you think. We think of the ocean as water, but it's a system, vast, interconnected, and essential to life on Earth. Down here, miles below the surface, the pressure can crush a submarine. The water is near freezing, and light doesn't exist, yet life flourishes. Giant sea cucumbers, blind shrimp living on underwater volcanoes. Some of the species here have never been seen by science and may never be, because we are planning to destroy them before we understand them. Even worse, scientists believe these ecosystems help store massive amounts of carbon. Disrupting them could accelerate climate change in ways we can't predict. Part 3: The Race for Metal. Who is behind it? You have probably never heard of the International Seabed Authority, but it might be the most powerful environment decision maker you have never voted for. The ISA is supposed to protect the ocean's common heritage. Instead, it's quietly issuing permits to companies that want to mine the seafloor. At the front of the park, a Canadian company called the Metals Company, their pitch: mining the deep sea is cleaner than destroying forests or digging massive pits on land. But they are not telling you the full story. Part 4: The Science We Are Ignoring. The biggest problem is we just don't know what will happen. Imagine someone tells you they want to bulldoze the Amazon rainforest, but they have only explored 1% of it. That's what deep sea mining is. Plumes of sediment could travel hundreds of kilometers, smothering coral reefs, disrupting fish migration, and releasing toxic metals into the water. And once a mining operation begins, the damage is irreversible. The ecosystems took millions of years to form. They won't bounce back in a few decades. Part 5: Green Tech's Dirty Secret. Here's the twist: the same industries pushing us towards a clean future, EVs, renewables, AI, are driving the demand for deep sea mining. The irony: to stop climate change, we are about to wreck one of our biggest natural defenses against it. It's a dirty secret of the Green Revolution. We are saving the planet by destroying another part of it. Part 6: What happens next? Right now, countries like Nauru, Tonga, Kiribati, small island oceans with few resources, are sponsoring mining operations in exchange for potential economic gains. Meanwhile, scientists, indigenous groups, and environmentalists are calling for a moratorium, a global pause until we understand the risks. Some nations are listening. France, Germany, and Chile have voiced support for a ban, but the mining companies aren't slowing down. And here's the chilling part: the ISA could give the green light for commercial mining as soon as this year. Part 7: Why you should care even if you never see it. You will never visit the bottom of the ocean. You will never see creatures that glow in the dark or the fragile coral forests growing in the pitch black. But their fate is tied to yours. Disrupting the deep sea won't just kill unknown species, it could impact the climate, fish stocks, and ocean chemistry for generations. And all of it being done quietly, away from the headlines. Part 8: What you can do. So, what now? Raise awareness, share this story. Most people have never even heard of the deep sea mining. Push for accountability. Demand transparency from governments and tech companies benefiting from rare metals. Support a moratorium. Over 800 marine scientists and policy experts already have. Because once the ocean floor is turned up, there is no going back. The deep sea might be out of sight, but it shouldn't be out of mind. This isn't just a battle for metal, it's a battle for the soul of the planet.